When you're served with a complaint, one of the first things to think about is whether to move to dismiss, since a successful motion can get rid of the whole case. There are a bunch of grounds for trying to get a claim dismissed. This course is about moving to dismiss for failure to state a claim. In other words, arguing the complaint doesn't allege the elements of the claim sufficiently. For convenience, we'll refer to the motion as a 12b6, even though we'll be talking in both the federal and state contexts. Let's talk more about the legal standard you'll be facing. The rules say that a plaintiff filing a complaint just has to make a short and plain statement of the claim for relief. But courts differ on what that really means. The court will apply either the possibility standard or the plausibility standard, depending on your jurisdiction. The possibility standard is easier for the plaintiff to meet. It just has to be possible or conceivable that the plaintiff will be able to prove the claims based on what's in the allegations. The plausibility standard is more demanding for plaintiffs. Under this test, it has to be not just possible, but actually plausible that the plaintiff will prove their claim. And courts are allowed to consider alternate explanations for what happened, as well as their judicial experience and just plain common sense. Imagine a plaintiff claims a group of defendant telecom companies conspired to divide territory and avoid competing. The allegations say the defendants stayed out of each other's markets, but make no mention of an actual agreement not to compete. Under the possibility standard, this claim may survive a motion to dismiss because it's possible that the defendants did make an agreement. Under the plausibility standard, though, the claim might not survive. The judge might decide that absent any facts about an actual agreement, the scenario just isn't plausible, especially given the possibility of some other legitimate reason, like the cost of expanding infrastructure. For certain types of claims, like fraud and securities actions, a heightened pleading standard might apply, requiring the claim to be pled with particularity. There, the complaint must not only state a claim that's possible or plausible, but also include specific details about the alleged misconduct.